Ghost Gang, it's your boy Scatpack Jack back with another video. I'm here with Tinted out of Gulf Breeze, Florida. They come to put some shades on Ghost. I've been riding around here fish bowling for the last 30 days, and we finally gonna get this tent put on there. That's my man Eddie right there. He's gonna do the install. That's my guy. Just met him, cool dude. And I'll be in and out on the whole process, man. I'm not gonna film the whole process. I don't have one of y'all's fancy stands that can do a time lapse and I leave the phone. So he's gonna take care of business. I'm gonna leave him alone. I'll drop in and out, see what's going. We're gonna go 20% all the way around. It should look good, man, coming off that white and the black stripes. All right, I'll holler at y'all. All right, Ghost Gang, your boy Scatpack Jack back. Another video. It is going hard on the tent for Ghost. Just want to give y'all a preview. Like I said, 20% all the way around. It's coming out lovely. I love how that's gonna look. What area y'all service, man?
We service Santa Rosa County, Escambia, and some of Okaloosa. All
right, awesome, man. So if you in our area, come check out Tinted, man. You see this van riding around, I'm sure. Well, you'll see Eddie out at somebody's spot putting work in. Yeah, but Ghost about to be, whew, wait till we get this and get these lights up under that joker. It's gonna be serious. You don't hear, man, say they do everything, man. Window tint, mobile electronics, leather seating, accessories. So it's a number right here, man. Give them a shout.